students, welcome back to the second video of our literature chapter, that is the yellow butterfly. Students, I have told you what is about the yellow butterfly, what was the yellow butterfly, right? And I have told you about the author, writer also. Writer is Nalima Shah. Nalima Shah is an author. She is a famous writer for children and she is writing the adventurous stories too. Okay, and after that I have told you about the butterfly. There's one child, the name with Sonu. Sonu nearby his house is having one garden. In that he saw one butterfly. उसमें एक butterfly देखा उसने. What happened to the butterfly? Butterfly was roaming into his garden and Sonu thought that I need to catch that butterfly. तो सोनू ने वो butterfly catch करने के लिए he chased behind the butterfly. Then what happened? He chased behind the butterfly. First he went to the rose garden. So butterfly was sit on the rose flower. But Sonu could not able to chase him. After that butterfly went to the lotus near in the pond. So in the pond there was a lot of lotus flower, and beside the lotus there are green leaves, green round shaped leaves. So the butterfly was set on that. So what happened? Sonu was when he jumped to the water, butterfly flew away. So there also he could not able to chase the butterfly, catch the butterfly. Then he moved to the butterfly moved to the peach tree. Peach tree there was a pink flower, right? So pink flower the butterfly set. So Sonu climbed up upon the tree and was trying to grab the butterfly. But as he had reached on the tree, butterfly flew away from there. Butterfly jumped down. So Sonu has also jumped down. And then Sonu was looking now where the butterfly moved. So he looked up, he looked down, he looked here and there, everywhere. But he got the place where the butterfly sat. So today we are going to see that where he has saw the butterfly at the end. So open your textbook, page number 48. I am there on the second paragraph. There was a big spider's web in a peach tree. अब क्या था, peach tree था. There was many peach tree. So on the another side where the peach tree was there was a big spider web. Means एक बड़ा सा spider का web था. Spider, you know students, spider is an insect. तो spider का जो जाला होता है, that mesh is called the web. Okay. So the butterfly was caught in the spider's web. अब butterfly कहाँ उड़ के पहुँच गया था? वो web के अंदर. You can see that into the picture also. So butterfly was caught into the spider's web. It looked sad and it tried to escape. अब क्या हुआ, वो spider के web में फंस गया था. तो butterfly was trying to move out from that web. Escape means to free oneself. वहाँ से बच के निकलना, right? So new word for you is escape. Escape means to free oneself. So butterfly was trying to escape herself or escape. It fluttered its wing. Fluttered means जो wings है वो फटाफट move करते हैं. Okay, that is called flutter. The action of which the butterfly does of flying, that is called flutter. Okay, so what happened? It fluttered its wings. उसने अपने wings को fluttered किया. It twisted and turned. वो bend हुआ, it moved this and that. Like it tried to adjust to move from that web. Okay, but it could not escape. पर वो छूट नहीं पाया. It could not move out. The spider's web held it tight. मतलब spider के जो web ने है वो butterfly को बहुत tightly पकड़ के रखा था. So here which is another word for you is flutter. Fluttered. Fluttered means students the flap wing quickly. Flap means to move. Sorry, to flap wing quickly. फटाफट अपने जो feathers है, अपने जो feather है उसको flapping move करना, that is flutter, to flap wing quickly. And after that another word for you is twisted. Twisted means bend, like the butterfly has tried to move out himself from the web. तो उसने खुद को bend किया, he adjusted himself, he has twist and turn himself, but at the end he could not able to move. Why he could not able to move? Because the spider's web held it tightly. Held means caught. Spider के web ने उसको बहुत tightly held कर दिया था. Understand? So held means caught. उसने बहुत tightly उसको caught कर पकड़ लिया था. So poor butterfly. अब बेचारा butterfly. In the middle of the web, a big spider. अब क्या था? वो web जो था spider का. You must have seen the web of spider. So in between what happens? In between the spider is there, and out of it is creating one mesh, that is web. So that web inside that, at the center of that spider was there. So that spider was looking hungry. What? वो spider बहुत भूखा लग रहा था. So it wanted to catch the butterfly. उसको butterfly को पकड़ना था. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. अब क्या हुआ? वो जो black spider है, he was moving to the butterfly very closer and closer and closer. But before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. Now what happened? That black spider was there. He was moving closer to the butterfly to catch him, to grab him. But before he could catch the butterfly, Sonu ran and he has grabbed the butterfly. Okay, what happened? I repeat, the web was there, in that one spider was there. So butterfly got stuck into the web of spider. So here what the spider has done? Spider was looking hungry. So he tried to catch the butterfly, but he was moving closer to the butterfly. Before he reached to the butterfly, the Sonu quickly ran and he grabbed the butterfly. Means उसने butterfly को पकड़ लिया. So here new word for you is to crowd. Crowd means, students, as I told you, crowd means to move slowly. CRAWLED. Crowd means to move slowly. Okay. The next is before the hungry spider could grab it. Grab means to catch. तो सोनू ने catch it. सोनू ran and he caught the butterfly. सोनू ने जाके उसको पकड़ लिया. It was so pretty, beautiful. So it was, the butterfly was very pretty. Pretty means the beautiful. So it had brown spot on its yellow wings. Now here he has given the bifurcation of butterfly. He has described how the butterfly was. So butterfly was very beautiful, very pretty. Butterfly was there, and it had brown spots. Spot means the dot. जो butterfly के wings पे जो dot होते हैं, that is pattern. So that pattern was of dots, and it is a spot, like brown spot was there on the butterfly, and the color was butterfly was yellow. So spots means dots. So on its yellow wings, उसके yellow wings पे, butterfly के yellow wings पे there was a brown dots. Sonu loved the little butterfly. Sonu को little butterfly बहुत पसंद आया. But it looked sad into Sonu's hand. पर वो क्या था? He was looking very sad. The butterfly was looking very upset in Sonu's hand. Sonu wanted it to be happy. Sonu उसको खुश देखना चाहता था. Okay. So and there on the page number 45, go, said Sonu, fly away. Sonu ने क्या कहा? अब Sonu he is a small child, right? So he said कि now the butterfly in my hand. The butterfly is looking very upset. So let me the fly. So he has he has moved free to the butterfly and said, go, fly away. He let the butterfly go. It sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree and then sailed on the lotus leaf. It flew merrily from the flower to flower. After the Sonu has let the butterfly move, what the butterfly has done? He went to the rose, he went to the peach tree, then he went to the lotus leaf, and it flew merrily. Merrily means happily. He moved here and there very happily, merrily. Merrily means happily. The butterfly was moving very happily from here to there, from flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. Sonu, what had he has observed? He has observed so butterfly is moving very happily from this flower to that flower. The butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. So, at the last, what had happened? Sonu has left the butterfly. Butterfly was very happy when he got free from the Sonu's hand as well. So, after that, Sonu has watched that he is moving here and there from flower to flower, and he is free now wherever he wants to go. So, here students, we have ended up with this chapter. Let me quickly revise this story to you. The story was like कि सोनू के गार्डन में there was one butterfly, okay, और वो बटरफ्लाई सोनू wants to catch that butterfly. तो क्या हुआ? सोनू फर्स्ट रोज पे बटरफ्लाई फर्स्ट रोज पे बैठा, then butterfly went to the lotus leaf, lotus की जो लीफ होती है उसके ऊपर गया, then butterfly went to the peach tree में peach tree की flower was of pink color, तो butterfly उसके ऊपर बैठा. सोनू was putting efforts, सोनू कोशिश कर रहा था उसको पकड़ने के लिए, पर वो नहीं मिला. He was not able to grab him, catch him. So after that, butterfly went to the spider's web. Butterfly कहाँ जाके बैठा? स्पाइडर के वेब पे. अब स्पाइडर के वेब में वो स्पाइडर के वेब ने उसको टाइटली पकड़ लिया था, सो वो खुद को नहीं छुड़ा पा रहा था. सो एंड स्पाइडर वाज लुकिंग हंग्री ऑल्सो. स्पाइडर हंग्री भी लग रहा था. तो as the spider was moving slowly to the butterfly, before the spider catch butterfly, Sonu ran and grabbed the butterfly. Sonu ने butterfly को पकड़ लिया. And as the Sonu has grabbed the butterfly, he saw the butterfly was very beautiful. It was of yellow color with the dots on his wings. Okay, brown color dots on his wings. अब उसके बाद as Sonu has felt that butterfly seems very sad as he has catch. अब बटरफ्लाई डरा भी तो हो सकता है, सो क्योंकि वो वेब में पकड़ा गया, फिर सोनू ने पकड़ लिया उसको. सो एट द एंड सोनू हैज फेल्ट लाइक कि मुझे इसको नहीं पकड़ के रखना चाहिए, सो ही फ्लू द बटरफ्लाई अवे. और बटरफ्लाई को जैसे ही उसने छोड़ दिया, सो बटरफ्लाई हैप्पीली ही मूव टू द लोटस फ्लावर, टू द रोज फ्लावर, टू द पीच ट्री. Everywhere he was moving here and there. So at the last, Sonu felt कि it is good that I have left the butterfly away. I have let the butterfly away. So butterfly is moving freely here and there. So students, what the moral we get from the story? We get that the thing that we should not catch any of the animal. ठीक है, as the few people are having that they can have the pet animal. Okay, कोई pet animal रखता है. So, but they get stuck. Assume that thing कि अगर आपको कोई पकड़ के रखता है तो how you feel. So similarly, if we catch any of the animal, they feels the same कि हमें पकड़ के रखा है, हमें कहीं बंद कर दिया है. Even they feel the same. So we should not catch any of the animal. Okay, if we wish कि हमें animals बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, so we used to feed them. We used to take along, like we used to go to them. We don't have to catch them. We don't have to carry them with us. हमें उनको बंद करके नहीं रखना चाहिए. We have to think that कि if we need a free life, so even we have to give a free life to them as well. Again, I am telling that these are the new words, and previous video also the hard words are there. So you have to learn these hard words into the live session. I am going to ask you that the word meaning as well. Refer this video properly and try to think that what the ma'am has explained. To narrate the story, try by yourself and give me the short summary into the live session of this chapter. Till the time, thank you and have a nice day.